This is a sample of the information provided as part of the flexible training resources available through hasup.com. Our training courses are designed to provide training participants with an understanding of food safety and quality system elements and also offer user-friendly assessment activities and competency checklists to complete the training cycle. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Key definitions for preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance includes tasks performed on equipment, premises and surrounds to prevent failure. It is a proactive process designed to prevent food safety and quality incidents. Preventative maintenance includes regular scheduled and proceduralized inspection, cleaning, and replacement of worn parts, materials, and systems. Preventative maintenance helps to prevent parts, materials and systems failure by ensuring they are in good working order. Reactive maintenance, a form of maintenance in which equipment and facilities are repaired only in response to a breakdown or a fault. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards development. When considering the development, documentation and implementation of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards within food safety and quality management systems, the following information should be considered to ensure effective outcomes. About preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Refrigeration maintenance and calibration. About premises and equipment design and construction standards. The premises exterior, premises and procedure traffic patterns. About preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Maintenance can be defined within two distinct categories, preventative and reactive. Preventative maintenance is scheduled and conducted on an ongoing basis. Reactive maintenance is conducted as required, usually when breakdowns occur. Details of preventative or reactive maintenance should be recorded and archived as part of the food safety and quality systems. Scheduled maintenance activities should include requirements for premises, equipment, utensils and surrounds. Maintenance procedures define the intent and schedule for the premises and equipment, which may also include calibration requirements. The term preventative maintenance is commonly used, as it creates the assurance of a proactive maintenance program, which is far more effective than a reactive approach. A documented maintenance policy, procedure and scheduled maintenance program may include what is to be included within the schedule, who is responsible, what is required for preventative maintenance, for example, a specified type of service using a specified type of lubricant or part, where and when the maintenance is to be undertaken, how the maintenance is to be undertaken, closeout procedures to ensure the maintenance has been appropriately completed to an acceptable standard, food safety and quality related requirements during and after maintenance procedure, specific training or skills required by the persons undertaking the maintenance procedure, workplace health and safety requirements. Requirements for contractors or visitors participating in the maintenance process. Relevant criteria for maintenance providers included within the approved supplier program. Refrigeration maintenance and calibration. Whether monitored by external or internal parties, refrigeration plays a crucial part in any food safety program. The following protocols should be considered regarding the maintenance of refrigerated systems. Any required repairs or related incidents must be reported to appropriate staff in a manner that constitutes objective corrective actions. Refrigeration service schedules should be carried out in accordance with legislation and industry-specific guidelines. If your business uses temperature control as a major critical control point, you may need to pay more attention to refrigeration maintenance than other businesses that don't rely on refrigerated equipment as much. Fan, extraction and condenser units should be regularly cleaned to exclude dust and grease buildup. Door seals must be maintained so as not to reduce the capacity of the equipment to retain appropriate temperatures nor to provide a breeding ground for bacterial pathogen. The calibration of all fitted temperature measuring devices should be carried out annually. Refrigerated units should not be overfull with product. This reduces the chance of a breakdown and allows airflow between the products, and enables the unit to work to capacity when bringing product temperatures down, or keeping it at optimum levels. Preventative maintenance and required repairs should be initiated to appropriate schedules, and all dealings must be documented as part of the food safety program. Outcomes of maintenance non-compliance. Failures of the maintenance programs may result in downtime, non-conforming product, which may need to be dumped, excessive byproduct creation or product loss, risk of tools, screws, bolts, machinery parts in product. These may also manifest as a physical hazard. Loss of sales, employee overtime. Maintenance program failures may occur due to machinery or vehicle failure and servicing, machine or equipment adjustment, structural failure or power failure, lack of planned or effectively implemented preventative maintenance. Maintenance failures can be avoided where possible by well-structured and effective preventative maintenance systems. Such systems place an emphasis on proactive rather than reactive maintenance. If your food business supplies foodstuffs manufactured to a customer's specifications, it is important to consider any specific preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards development requirements in relation to their items. Document. A document provides guidance and/or direction for performing work, making decisions, or rendering judgments which affect the safety or quality of the products or services that customers receive. Documented policies, procedures, work instructions and schedules form the basis of any food safety and quality management system. The following documentation formats may be considered to ensure ongoing compliance with specified requirements for preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards policy. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards development procedures. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards implementation procedures and work instructions. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards monitoring procedures. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards corrective and preventative action procedures. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards verification schedule. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards verification procedures. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards validation schedule. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards validation procedures. Preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards training procedures. If your food business supplies foodstuffs manufactured to a customer's specifications, it is important to consider any specific preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards documentation requirements in relation to their items. You may wish to visit the Preventative Maintenance and Reactive Maintenance Standards template section of HACCP.com for examples of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards documentation, record and resource formats commonly applied within food safety and quality systems. Implementation. Implementation is the application of documented food safety and quality system elements into the actual business operation. The implementation of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards within any food business requires genuine commitment from senior management, staff and visitors to ensure the nominated goals of implementation are achievable on an ongoing basis. It is a step which requires significant planning and consideration of general and specific food business circumstances to ensure the outcomes of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards do not negatively impact upon the safety and quality of the food items dispatched from the business. Implementation of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards must include the clear definition of responsibilities and authorities for all levels of participation by senior management, staff and visitors to the site when implementing preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards within a food safety and quality system. You may wish to consider the following requirements prior to completion, communication and display of the preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards policy. Completion of verification and validation of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards development procedures. Availability of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards implementation procedures and work instructions. Availability of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards monitoring procedures and record templates where applicable. Availability of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards corrective and preventative action procedures and record templates where applicable. Availability of the preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards verification schedule. Availability of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards verification procedures. Availability of the preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards validation schedule. Availability of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards validation procedures. Completion of preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards training procedures. Completion of product design and development requirements related to preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Completion of process design and development requirements related to preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Completion of training for team members who have responsibilities and involvement within preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. Completion of competency approval for team members who have responsibilities and involvement within preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards. If your food business supplies foodstuffs manufactured to a customer's specifications, it is important to consider any specific preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards implementation requirements in relation to their items. Need help with preventative maintenance and reactive maintenance standards? Find an experienced food safety and quality consultant at HACCP.com. Did you know that HACCP.com includes resources that allow you to create, manage and implement GFSI and HACCP-based food safety and quality programs? Improve your food safety and quality skills and knowledge? Train and develop your team to create better food safety and quality outcomes? Find suppliers and service providers to partner with your business? The information and training resources available through HACCP.com included a variety of formats, such as website content, MP4, MP4 and text, MP3, PDF and slideshow. Are you ready to take the next step in your food compliance journey? Visit HACCP.com today to create your profile and access the full versions of our food safety and quality information packages and much more.